Vibration is a feature that provides tactile feedback when your phone receives a notification or when you perform certain actions, such as typing or tapping on buttons. While vibration can be helpful, it can also drain your battery life. If you're looking to save battery on your Galaxy S23, one of the easiest things you can do is turn off vibration. To do this, open Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration. Tap on System Vibration. Drag the System Vibration Intensity slider all the way to the left to disable all vibrations for all system notifications and actions. If you only want to disable vibration for certain notifications or actions, then set the intensity around 60% and tap the switches for the actions or notifications you want to disable. Vibration uses battery power to generate vibrations. By turning it off, you can extend your battery life as well as improve the performance of your device slightly. If you're used to having vibration enabled, it may take some time to adjust to using your phone without it. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.